lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vera Valentina, your favorite burlesque YouTuber, and on today's episode we are getting into another bit of beginning burlesque choreography. I got my boots, I got my outfit on. I'm probably gonna take my jacket off. It's gonna get real cute in here because we're doing a beginner bump and grind routine. So if you're ready to do a little bit of beginner burlesque choreography with me, grab a drink, grab a glass. I've got some choreography for that ass. And you should know that this song that we're gonna be dancing to today is another song from Music to Strip By. This one is Bumps and Grinds. Per usual, we are going to start this routine lifted, sucked, and tucked. Not for vanity reasons, but because we are dancers and a strong core is a strong dancer. That's simple. So we are lifted, we're sucked in, we're tucked underneath. Make sure that hip bone is tucked, roll those shoulders back, really lift high into the ceiling. And we're gonna begin in a right bevel. So the right foot is popped in front, the left foot is the standing leg. We're lifting the arms and dipping at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we have a delivery? The last time our freshly was delivered, the guy who delivered it just threw it on our doorstep. Like literally just threw it. And we have a Ring doorbell out front, so we saw him. Yeah, as our freshly guy. Let's see, he's got it hanging over his head right now, upside down, as he walks to my front door. I cannot wait to watch back the Ring footage on this one to see him toss it. I know it's gonna get tossed. And then anyway, so again, we're lifted, we're sucked, and we're tucked. We've got down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, around 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's do that whole first part with music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just finished 1, 2, 3, 4, round 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back. 1, throw your arms down. 2, that's the right foot touching forward. Step 3, bump 4. Step 5, bump 6. Step 7, prepare 8. So we just finished 1, 2, 3, 4, around 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, round 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that all happens pretty fast. So in order for you to get through that, you need to make sure that you stay lifted, that you stay sucked and tucked, and on the balls of your feet. You should never be rocking back onto your heels while you're dancing. If you're dancing flat-footed, you're doing it wrong. So get right up on the balls of those feet, lift, and project forward. Yes? Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So we just finished 7 and 8. You're gonna 3-step turn. 1, 2, 3, touch, ball change, push, turn to the back, and then throw right back to the front. And that's on beat. So again, you just did and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Let's try that part with the music so you can hear it. And 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. It's more like 6 and. Just like most classical burlesque pieces, this particular choreography combination is very musical, so it's going to sit right on top of the music or the melody of this particular song. Everything hits perfectly. So let's go over it again with the music. This is definitely one of those routines where you're going to have to engage your core in order to get through it. Stay up on the balls of those feet, engage your core, and maintain your balance the entire time. All right, now because this is a beginning burlesque combination and I want you to be as proficient on the left as you are on the right and right on the left, vice versa, you're gonna do that entire choreography piece again, but on the left side. We're going to transition, bring it around, 1, 2, 3, and bump, 1, 2, 3, and bump, 1, and bump, 2, and bump, transition to the other side. You can just walk around yourself. Then we've got the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 5, 6, 7, left arm, left, right, to the left first, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball change. Looking back over the left shoulder. Okay, so we're gonna try the whole thing from the top, both sides, both right and left. Now, if you're having trouble with the left, that's completely fine. Do the best that you can on the right, and then try to get your brain to reverse it. Some other things for you to think about while you're dancing this time. I know, we're thinking about so much, but on this channel, we are trying to create working, thinking dancers at all points in time. So, some corrections. Again, first step, lifting, sucked, tucked underneath. Arms are nice and fluid. Watch the connection and make sure that the energy and the fluidity goes all the way from the shoulder blade to the tip of the finger. There should never be any dead arms, dead wrists. Gross. We don't want that. We want to keep the head high and the shoulders down. Move. Yes, as you move forward. Again, really pop those bumps. Bump. Give the audience that pop, that booty, that hip, because that's all they want to see. And as we turn, of course, we're spotting wherever we're going. Then this last part, ball change, push. This is where you need to tighten up that core because it's such a quick motion. So you lift up, suck in, forward, to the back. And I almost fell over because I wasn't sucked in. Ball change, whop, the back, whop, to the front, and give it to them. Booty, cheeks, and face. These are the money makers. Take off my boots. They were not feeling this carpet at all. They were getting caught entirely too much. So, socks. right guys, so that was another beginning burlesque routine featuring bumps and grinds. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You guys already know that I'm in the midst of Vlogmas, so go ahead and run back and watch all those Vlogmas videos that I've posted for the past few days, and be sure that you stay tuned for the next few days because it's gonna get fun, it's gonna get fabulous. I'm on a routine now, so I should be posting on a daily basis the next day. So I film and then I post the next day. So yeah. I'm also on track for 10,000 subscribers before the end of this year, and I really think that I'm gonna make it. And if I do, I am going to do a 10K giveaway, a burlesque related 10K giveaway. And the way that you, of course, will enter that is by making sure that you're subscribed to my channel, that you have the post notification bell on. You have to comment, well, we're not there yet, but make sure that you're subscribed and that you have that post notification bell on so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and it will also get you entered for my 10K giveaway, assuming that it happens at the end of this year. I'm so excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more burlesque choreography, go ahead and comment down below. Make sure you watch my other burlesque choreography videos. I'm Vera Valentina, giving you the best in burlesque beauty and booty here on YouTube. So I'll catch you next time. Bye.